Hey everybody, Kyle Loudon here, co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate. Again, welcome to the community and the platform here at Wealthy Affiliate. What I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna walk you through the Hubs experience, which is also known as your business hub. This is where you are going to be getting your core training, your traffic training, as well as building out your business. All your research, all the tools are accessible here within your business hub. Second to that, I want to explain the community element and show you around the activity dashboard because that's going to be critical for your ongoing learning, for your mentorship and support, and your ability to network with others here in the community. So without further ado, I'm going to walk you through the Hubs environment here at Wealthy Affiliate. I think you're really going to be excited about what this provides you and what you're going to be able to accomplish here within Wealthy Affiliate in a fairly short time, even within the first phase of the training. So let's jump into things. Okay, so before I get ahead of myself here, I just want to explain if you navigate anywhere within Wealthy Affiliate and you need to get back to your business hub, you are going to click the Hubs button here up in the top left. If you click that, that is going to take you to your My Business Hubs dashboard. Since you are a starter member, you only have one business hub. So you will click View Hub and Training to go into your hub. As a premium level member, you can create multiple hubs and multiple businesses here at Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm gonna click that and it's gonna take me back into the Hubs environment. At the top here, you are going to notice that your core training is in front of you. This is the very first lesson. This is what you are watching right now. If I click on this, it'll pop up this very video that you are watching. You'll notice over to the right here, there is comments. If you're on a mobile device, those are down below. But if you ever need a hand or just want to introduce yourself, jump into these comments here and the community will get back to you. I will be in there and I'm very active. You can see I am actively within the comments area. So don't be a stranger. If you need help, if you need anything at all, we are a community and one with lots of expertise and experience you can lean on every step of the way as you move through the training. So as you navigate through this phase one training here, you are going to check off these lessons and tasks as you complete them. And then that will take you to your next lesson. You'll see the progress bar up here as well. Once you build out the core foundational building blocks of your business, which is 4 phases, by the end of that, you are going to be getting indexed and ranked. You're going to be starting to see some level of traffic. You're going to understand SEO. You're going to be set up for search engines. You're going to be integrating affiliate links. So that is your foundation. Once you have that in place, you can spread your wings and get traffic and revenue many different ways online. And that's where our traffic training comes in. This is within the premium level membership, but you can see everything that we teach here at Wealthy Affiliate, from SEO, user-generated content, social media, YouTube, pay-per-click, email marketing, artificial intelligence. You can check this out if you want. You can see they're locked out because I'm a starter member, but your initial focus and what you have access to is phase one. And at the end of phase one, you are going to have your brand up and running. So it's very exciting. You are going to move forward very quickly here within the platform. And below the training, you're going to have all the tools you need to build out your actual business. So the second thing down is your website. When you build your hub, your website is automatically created and installed. You can click and access your website and you can see it is a blank slate now. That's because we haven't put any energy into it. As we move forward, we're going to be building out the content. We are going to be learning how to drive traffic and get rankings to our website. And we are also going to be integrating integrating affiliate links into our website to start generating revenue. So that is going to be covered as you move through the training. There's some website related tools here. You can view your website, you can log into your back office, that sort of thing as well. Below this is revenue opportunities. So we spoon feed you all of the revenue opportunities that you would ever need in your niche, and these are relevant revenue opportunities. So because I chose the youth basketball coaching niche, there are basketball related affiliate programs that I can join, and you can see the commissions and the estimated commissions. You can earn, anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars in commissions simply by promoting other people's products and services. And oftentimes, the biggest brands in the world, they all have affiliate programs, and we are going to be helping you discover the affiliate links as you move forward through the training. And there's all sorts of categories in any niche. There's thousands of products and services in any niche that you are going to be able to promote, and we're going to be helping you with that. And also at the very top, you're going to see the Wealthy affiliate program. You can actually promote that right away if you want. You can share that with anyone that you want. You're automatically approved for our affiliate program here as a starter member even. So you can utilize that link right away. If you know anyone else that's interested, you can share that with anyone you want. You can see our commissions range from $20 all the way to $1,200 recurring commissions. That is passive income. So that is the revenue opportunity section. Below that is the content ideas. We are going to be building out our website, which again is the foundation of our business. Content is a big part of that. Don't get overwhelmed by the idea of creating content. We have tools to help you efficiently create content, which we're going to be getting into lesson 4. So don't worry about that at the moment, but we also do all the research for you and provide you with content ideas as you are building out your business. And along those lines, you have your writing tasks below that, where you can organize and schedule your content and keep yourself organized as you're building out your business. And then scrolling down, the niche research. This is more content ideas and niche research to help you uncover lucrative concepts and ideas for content on your website. Content is the basis of all success within your website. You are going to be creating content. Content can get ranked. Content can be shared. Content is where you can integrate affiliate links. So it is going to be a big part of your business. And we have tools, again, that are going to allow you to create content in minutes instead of spending hours typing out content. So we're going to be getting into that. But this is your business hub. This is your workspace. This is where you are going to get your training. And it's also going to be where you're building out your business. The next thing I want to discuss is the activity dashboard, because that is a big part of Wealthy Affiliate as well. We are truly a community and a very active one, and I'm going to showcase that in the next segment here. Okay, so let's pop over to the activity area. So I just click the activity button here in the top left, and if I click that, it's going to take me to the activity dashboard that's going to look similar to this. At the top, this is the card or the module that helps you get going with your business. You can see step 1, I've joined Wealthy Affiliate. Step 2, I have built my business hub. And step 3 is to start your training. So you can get back to your training by clicking this button, and that's going to take you back to your hub and your core training. So I'm just going to flip back over, and it also indicates what your niche is. Now you're going to notice a few things. On the left-hand side, you have your profile and some quick links to the dashboard. You don't have access to the entire dashboard, but you're going to get a good taste of the content that's created here within the platform and the community. And then on the right-hand side, there is a live chat where you can get help from the community. You can network with others. I have 22 years experience within the online business world, and I'm in there all the time. So you'll see me there. You simply need to set up your WA profile in order to gain access to that chat. And that's actually going to be covered in the very next lesson. So I wouldn't worry too much about that now, but you're going to be able to gain access to that. As I scroll down, you can ask questions. If you are ever stuck or you have any questions about the online business world, simply go here, type in your question, give us a little bit more in terms of details, and publish it. That goes to the community. You are going to get community feedback. And when someone responds to it, it is going to go up into the notifications under the notification bell up here. And I'm going to swing back to that as well. Below this, we are, again, a very active community and one where you can get a lot of value on a day-to-day basis. These are the top 10 blogs for today. You can see I'm in there a couple of times, but there's a lot of video content, tutorials, discussions about various aspects of online business, and you can jump into any one of these and jump into the conversation. You can gain value from the content. So I recommend that you go through these, check them out, and you're going to get value every single day that you're here through these top 10 blogs. Again, here's a profile setup. This is an upgrade if you ever want to go to a premium level membership when you're ready to advance your business. New premium members today, your ranking and statistics. That is something that is internal rankings here within Wealthy Affiliate. So as you are more active, you're going to see your rank within the community go up. And then success stories. You can see, there's active success stories here within Wealthy Affiliate. $40,000 in the last 30 days from 2 sites. You can have a peruse of those and check out some of the success stories here at Wealthy Affiliate. Success is happening in an ongoing basis, and there are billions and billions of people online, and we're going to show you how to harness that level of audience within the online world to generate revenue as you move forward. And then there's expert classes that are run throughout the week. Every week we have the most interactive and the most current training in the world here at Wealthy Affiliate. We have new training coming every week and new video tutorials coming every single day within the platform. And you can see this is just a fraction of the activity going on within the community. So if you ever want to unlock the entire community in an unlimited fashion, we do have our premium level memberships, which I alluded to, and that will unlock this entire menu over here as well. So that is the platform and the community. One last thing before I leave you today, I want to show you a message that I have sent you and how you can get in touch with me directly. So when I come back, I'm going to explain that. Okay, so the last thing before I leave you today, within this bell looking icon in the header, you are going to see that I have sent you a message. This account is a couple of days old, so there's other messages that have come through, but it's going to say Kyle left you a message on your WA profile. That is completely automated. So I'm not going to lie to you and say that this is me typing it out and sending it to you. That is automated from the system. But what happens if you go to this message and this takes you to your profile and you reply to my comment? I just ask you a few questions, maybe some of your interests and what you want to achieve by being here at Wealthy Affiliate. If you reply to that, leave your comment there, that goes directly to me, and I will get back to you 100% of the time, and it will be me personally getting back to you. So I want to show you how you can reach out to me and how you can get help directly from me if you need it, and how you can connect with me here at Wealthy Affiliate. I will be guiding you through the training, and I will also be here and available to support you every step of the way. So if I want to get back to my hubs again, click hubs up here, activity up here to go to the activity dashboard. And if you have any questions about anything I've discussed in this video, jump into the comments on the left if you're on desktop, and down below if you're on mobile, and the community and myself will be more than happy to help you out. I really look forward to working with you and helping you create a very successful business within the online world, and one that you're passionate about and one that's fulfilling, because that is also a goal. We don't want to build something that we don't enjoy doing. And the beauty of the internet is we can do something that we love and build a successful business around it. So when you're done this training, head back to the hubs, go into your hub, and you can check off the first training lesson, and then I'll meet you in the next lesson. Set your business goals. We're also going to be setting up our account in that step. So click on that and we will be live in the second lesson. So again, welcome to Wealthy Affiliate, and I look forward to working with you. Cheers.